You get a meme, and you get a meme, and everybody gets a meme. So I have been working on this little meme generator for today. We have about 69 lines of code here, and basically what this meme generator allows us to do is it allows us to feed in a picture with a transparent background, and then ask Dall-E to modify that picture to make it into a very cool meme, right? This is Dolly. Dolly is going to lead to the unemployment of tens of meme creators. Anyways, so basically, this is about, again, 69 lines of code. We're using OpenAI. We're using tkinter as the GUI framework. We're using Pillow in order to deal with images, and that's about it. If we go on here and we click on this to run, we see our little Dolly app. And so if we're going to be creating memes, you gotta start with the king. So basically, I have this Elon Musk image. This is a square image, and what I did was I just deleted everything around Elon Musk, and that's a transparent layer. And so what I can do now is I can simply say, on Mars with a taco, right? Then I can hit submit. And then it'll take a second. Come on now, Dolly. This is just too slow. This artificial intelligence is too slow. But anyways, hopefully in a second. Hopefully. There we go. Look at that. We have Elon Musk on Mars with a taco. You got a meme that quick. So let's see here. If I go back, I can say on a boat with a goat. I can hit submit. And goes Elon Musk on a boat with a goat. Come on now. All for 2 cents. Each one of these high quality memes only costs you 2 cents. So look at that. He's on a boat. And he's with a goat. With a goat on Mars. So I think this is actually kind of cool. Like from an actual practical standpoint, because again, you sit here and like, okay, yeah, what is the actual practical value of this? One of the things that might be useful for this is actually featured images for articles. So I don't know, that's a goat. Is that Mars? I don't know. With a goat on the moon? So one of the things I think about, right, is imagine you're creating blog posts, right? You're CNN or your Fox News, and you're creating blog posts, and you need featured images, and you don't want to pay for the featured images. So one of the things you could do is you just like create like a little transparency with the person. Actually, that's not too bad. Look at that. That's actually not too bad. Anyways, and so that's the thing is you could have the transparency, and then you could say basically fill in the background, and then you could use that for your featured image, and it would cost you like 2 cents. So if you run this through, let's say 5 times to find the appropriate featured image, again, it might cost you like 10 cents to get that featured image. So that might be, a useful, actually valuable thing to do. So I think this is kind of cool. And this is why I like tkinter. I don't know. People have been giving me so much crap about tkinter. They're like, oh, why are you using tkinter? It's like, because it's simple. Like tkinter is dirt simple. Like all this, right? So labels and entry boxes and button submit, all of this is actually really, really, really simple to do. So that's one of the reasons I like tkinter, because it allows us to build these apps and really, really give students an idea of what we're trying to accomplish in the technology world. And I think it's kind of cool. Let's see here. At 420 at Taco Bell. 420 at Taco Bell. Dun 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 dun. Do make sure to download the images for these projects. Actually, I do have the images downloaded so that you save them. 240. I don't even know what that is. Okay, some of them are better than or worse. I like the previous one. The previous one was pretty nice. So anyways, this is using Dall-E. Again, for this, it's just the image modification, right? So create edit. It's the create edit. So again, all we're doing it is we're feeding the musk.png. We're giving it the request that's going through the entry box. We're asking for a number 1. We're giving it a resolution of 1024 by 1024, and then we're simply parsing the response. This is actually how we download the image. So this is the response. The response comes back, response data 0 URL. Then I create a name. So I'm using time. I like using time codes for names when I'm doing things pretty simple. So name equals time, the name equals name as an integer, as a string, plus PNG, and then this is the URL lib request. So basically what this does is this allows you to download. You download something off the internet. So I'm going to download the response and I'm going to name it this timestamp name that I just gave it, and that's what's actually going to, that's then going to just be saved to the drive. And then here, using Pillow, I'm then modifying the image so that it can show up on the screen as it is here. So that's the basics of what's going on. I will be doing a video of this class that'll be going up in the next week or so, and the documentation for this will also be on Silicon Dojo. So there we go. There is your MeMe generator. What if we just do 420? What if we just do 420? And that's the thing. You just sit here. You can sit here. This is how OpenAI is going to make money. Is people are just going to get drunk or high, and they're just going to start asking for weird stuff. There we go. Zoo. Zoo is fun. But it does. It got the marijuana. It got the marijuana. So anyways, if you like these kinds of videos, give us a thumbs up. If you hate these kinds of videos, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share, subscribe, do all that kind of fun stuff. And I will see y'all later.